Okay, so this is a quick video tutorial on how to test the speed of your hard drives using the native command prompt built in Windows. First, you want to determine what the letter of your drive is. If you pull up this PC, or you can click on this folder here, or you can type in this PC and click on it. It will go to a window here that will populate all of your attached drives. Here I have a C drive, a D drive, and an E drive. And I want to test the speed of it without using any other program installed. So this is an NVMe, this is an SSD drive, and this is a HDD drive. So this should be my fastest drive, my second fastest, and this should be my slowest drive. Alright, so go ahead and click at the bottom search bar here, type in cmd.exe. You'll see this icon here, right click on it, make sure you run it as administrator or else the result will not populate. You're going to get this user account control prompt. Go ahead and click yes, and then you'll see this command prompt window on your screen here. So what you want to do here is type in WinSAT, press the space bar one time, type in disk, space again, and this time you're going to type in hyphen drive space, and then you're going to type in the letter that corresponds to whatever drive you want to test. So here I want to test the speed of my C drive, so I'll type in C, uppercase, and then I'll go ahead and press enter. So it's going to run this Windows System Assessment tool. Here's doing a test for a random read, sequential write, and also it's going to flush out the data of the sequential and the random, and here's all the data that it populates here. So you can see here that my speed varies from 1 gigabyte per second up to 3.2 gigabyte per second for the read. And then the write here you can see is 2.4 gigabytes per second. So that's my C drive. I can go ahead and test the other drives by typing in the same command, WinSat space disk space hyphen drive space, and then I can test the E drive here, and I'll go ahead and press enter. Then it's going to go ahead and run the test again. So it's doing the random read, sequential write, and then it's going to flush the sequential data and results here. So you can see here this is quite slower than my NVMe drive. This is my SSD drive. So I have 309 to 411 megabytes per second on the read, and my write here is 375.91. I hope this has been educational. Please rate, subscribe, and like. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.